Shall I tell you about the event of the kissa, the event of the Prophet's kissa? He went to the house of his daughter Fatima, and he asked for the Yemeni kissa. She covered him with the Yemeni kissa. His face shone like the full moon. Soon after, some others came to join him. Do you want to know who? Then came Hassan and greeted his mother. Salamun alayki ya Ummah. I can smell the nice smell of my grandfather. So he joined him under the kissa. Then came Hussein and greeted his mother. Salamun alayki ya Ummah. I can smell the nice smell of my grandfather. So he joined him under the kissa. Then came Ali, Amirul Mu'mineen. Salamun alayki of Jannah, you are queen. I can smell the nice smell of my cousin brother. So he also entered the kissa. Then Fatima went real close to the kissa. Salamun alaykum, O father. Do you give me permission to now enter? Yes, she too went under the kissa. When all five gathered under the kissa, Jibreel spoke up and said, Oh Allah, who are these luminous personalities lying under the kissa? He said they were the family of Fatima, her husband, sons, and her father. They are the ones who are perfectly purified. They are the Ahlul Kissa, the Ahlul Bayt Tahira. They are the Ahlul Kissa, the Ahlul